If you're looking for a peaceful and inviting bedroom decor ideas, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing simple and charming farmhouse makeover ideas that are easy to apply and won't break the bank. Let's create a bedroom that feels warm, relaxing, and beautifully rustic. Vintage dresser with distressed finish. A vintage-style dresser adds charm and character. Choose one with chipped paint or weathered wood for that aged look. Layered bedding in neutral tones. Use soft whites, beiges, or grays in layers, sheets, quilts, and throws for a cozy and welcoming bed. Reclaimed wood headboard. A headboard made of reclaimed wood becomes a rustic focal point and adds natural texture. Farmhouse-style wall sconces. Replace bedside lamps with black or bronze wall sconces for soft lighting and farmhouse charm. Woven storage baskets. Use woven baskets for extra blankets or pillows. They're functional and add texture to the room. Antique mirror above the dresser. Hang a vintage-style mirror with a wooden or metal frame to reflect light and enhance the farmhouse look. Whitewashed shiplap accent wall. Add shiplap to one wall, typically behind the bed, and paint it white or off-white for a classic farmhouse touch. Simple linen curtains. Swap out heavy drapes for light linen curtains. They soften the room and let in natural light. Wooden bedside table with drawer pulls. Look for a nightstand made of raw or lightly stained wood. Vintage-style drawer pulls add a small but charming detail. Black metal bed frame. This classic design pairs well with neutral linens and adds a subtle vintage vibe without overpowering the space. Wall art with words or quotes. Choose signs with calming messages or family-related quotes in simple black and white frames. Neutral area rug with subtle patterns. Lay down a rug in muted colors and a soft pattern to anchor the bed and add comfort underfoot. Decorative wall hooks for robes or hats. Wooden or iron hooks mounted on a wall or board add both function and farmhouse style. Mason jar vases with dried flowers. Fill mason jars with dried lavender, wheat, or cotton stems for an easy and beautiful touch. Soft lighting with a farmhouse chandelier. Finish the room with a simple, rustic chandelier. Choose one in wood or black metal for understated elegance. A cozy bedroom doesn't have to be complicated. By adding a few well-chosen farmhouse pieces, you can create a peaceful retreat that feels both timeless and personal. Thanks for watching, and we hope these ideas inspire you to refresh your space. See you in the next video.